Hello everyone. Today we will talk about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You might have heard about at least one of these computer languages. And if you associate all three languages with web design, well, you are 100% correct. So you might ask, if all three are related to web design, why do I need three different languages? What are the differences? And what is their relationship? To better understand some of these questions, I like to refer to the human body as an analogy. Let's start with HTML. HTML can be related as the body of a website. So, for example, you have the head, which would be the beginning or the upper part of a website. You have the body, which would be the main part where most of the information is located. You have the arms, which could be sidebars or any information that is located on either side of the website. And you also have the feet, which will be the bottom part of a website. HTML, which means Hypertext Markup Language, is all the text and important information that we want people to read and understand in our website. So what is the second language? The second language is CSS, and it can be understood as the clothes that we wear. What do I mean with clothes for a website? Well, with CSS, you decide the colors and the type of font that you will use throughout your website. So in a way, it's how you dress up your website. You can choose the colors, the spacing, the different types and sizes of fonts, how to make things stand out, and how to make everything blend together in an appealing way. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and is the place where you decide all the style options of your website. So what about our third language? Our third language is JavaScript. Well, I myself like to correlate JavaScript as the muscles of your website. And again, you might ask, muscles of a website, what are you talking about? Well, JavaScript is a very powerful tool that can be used to initiate different actions with a single click. So like the human body, if you want to jump or perform a backflip or a movement that is complex, you need to use your muscles in a very specific way. Well, JavaScript does that with your website and can do simple things like asking your name and remember it from there on, to more complex features like getting information from another website and updating it on your website. So, for example, if you have a favorite football team, it can search the internet and update your website with a live score of a football match. JavaScript is a scripting language and enables you to create interactive features within or even outside of your website. So in order to have a great website, we use these three different languages together, each performing their own task and interacting with each other. Another question you might have is, well, nowadays there are plenty of platforms that can help me build a website without the need to code. Do I really need to learn how to code? The answer is quite simple. If you want to build a very simple website that has no special features, and you just need it to look like one of the many websites out there, then the answer is no, you do not need to learn how to code. However, if you want your website to stand out, if you are someone with original ideas and want to build something that is made in your own way, or you want to build a website that has more complex features than the standard options, you best know how to code. Not only that, but once you start to learn how to code and understand the endless possibilities, coding opens a huge door of opportunities where the likes of automation of tasks, building your own apps, games, or programs, and even along the line, the creation of your own AI that can comprehend and help you analyze any kind of data that would take you years to do it for yourself. So, should you learn how to code? That's a definite yes.